You get hired by some awesome person. You're excited to take the job. You take it. And then within a short period of time, like maybe 3 months or something, that person leaves. And then you get some colossal prick that is now your boss. They didn't choose you. They didn't hire you. They inherited you. And it's a totally different dynamic. They don't like you. They don't see your value, and it can be tough going. So yeah, I personally can identify with that. Do you recommend proactively getting to know the new boss fast, or sit back and wait for them to reach out? It works out better if you go up to them and say, like, wow, that's a very handsome tie you're wearing today. Oh my God, I didn't know you had such good taste. Do you give points for being ingratiating? No, listen, what would probably be bad is if you hold off in kind of a weird, fishy way. You kind of don't engage with them for a long time. The polite thing to do when they first arrive is to greet them like that day or, shortly thereafter. Say, welcome. I understand you're my new boss. I hope that we will get along very well. If there's anything I can do or any questions you might have, don't hesitate to ask. Other than that, welcome aboard. Something like that. Like just a gesture is good. Okay? Now, they're probably going to be busy in the very beginning. They're going to be like, their head's going to be spinning. There's a lot of new people. There's a lot of people to learn who they are and get to know, and the whole job might be new to them. You don't know. So they're going to be busy, right? They probably can't devote a lot of time to you and be your best friend or something. Like that's probably not going to happen. But when you have to interact with them, try and be as polite and as positive as you can. Even if, you don't always get that back, it's still within your best interest to put that out there, right? Don't do the thing where like, you are really, you got a nice smile on your face and you're very polite and they seem kind of cold, that one exchange. So you decide, that's it. Okay, you're dead to me. You're clearly a jackass. And, the next time we have to deal with each other, I can tell you it's going to be different. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because you may feel like doing it on some level, but it will be bad for you if you do that. Okay? That would be my recommendation. Obviously, situations vary, but that would be my general rule. Just be polite, be friendly, welcome people in. And just the protocol is to say, like, if you ever need help or I can be of any help to you, don't hesitate to reach out. It's good to meet you, something like that. And that just, you start off with, on the right foot, right? Now, if they turn out to be an unreasonable moron or, totally incompetent, totally nasty, or they got a screw loose or something like that, hey, you can't, there's nothing you can do about that. You can just sort of respond to it. But at least you're giving them every chance to have a positive relationship with you. You want them to see you as somebody good, certainly in the beginning before they get to know you, so that they're open-minded to wanting to get to know you and wanting to see, your good aspects. And then that'll be the best arrangement for everyone. No practical jokes, no like initiation, or any of that kind of stuff. In some work environments, hey, that happens, like that happens with any new employee, whatever. Don't do that to your boss. Even if all your coworkers kind of are all thinking the same way and it's kind of a tradition or whatever, don't do that just in case it backfires, Good manners, really win out. They help people treat you very well. All things being equal.